In a fast-changing world, businesses must adapt and find new ways of staying relevant. Consumers expect so much more. Let's take vehicle owners. They're used to social media and connect to the world via devices. The car owner's experience is an emotional one. Cars mean so much to owners, in an economy where public transport is not really an option. When a car needs servicing, we can now make life easy. Introducing CarFiX. The CarFiX app. Owners log a service request on the mobile app, called a RFQ. The network of service provider workshops are notified. Up to 5 quotes are returned in less than 1 hour. CarFiX brings consumers to your workshop. Offers from service providers are based on full information about your credentials and warranties. Consumers enjoy the choice. Welcome to the future of car ownership, maintenance and repair. Join our world, don't get left behind. CarFiX, your new digital marketplace.